Assalamu alaikum guys, I am ARK. Now we have a basic website which is running fine, but the problem is when you write something again, it comes on the same line. Our website is basically just a bunch of words which we can't even format properly. We can never present this content to our users because it is totally unattractive and no user would like to see just a bunch of text as a website. So we need to properly structure our website, and we can do that by adding some more elements to our website. So we basically have two types of elements that are block level elements and inline elements. So let's see what are block level elements. Block level elements always take up the whole width of the window. That means if you are inserting a block level element in your body, then if you want to insert any other element, then it will come into the new line. Means block level element always covers the whole width of your window, and it always starts on new line. We will see it practically on the IDE by using the Chrome developer tools. Don't worry, just this is an introduction to the types of elements we have. And example of a block level element is div. It is a basic example. And inline elements, in contrast with block level elements, take only the width which is necessary. That means if you write hello world in an inline element, then it will take only 2 words space. It will not cover the whole line, whole width of the window. They can be stacked side by side on the same line. Multiple inline tags can be stacked side by side on the same line, and they don't have any margins. They only take the necessary space. And span is an example of inline element. So let's head toward the IDE and see them practically. Now let's add some block and inline elements to our document and see their behavior. I'll start with the div. Okay, let's see. I've already opened the live server. Okay, now we can just inspect it and open it in Chrome developer tools, and you can see what's going on with our tags. So you can see div is taking up whole of the line, the whole width of the window. Let's add an inline element now, like a span. Look, when I hover over this span, it's not taking the whole width. It's only taking the necessary space which is required by that word. So this is the difference between div and span, that is block and inline element. Let's add some more divs. Okay, div and the span element. You can see that we have two divs, both are coming in different lines, and we have two spans side by side stacked together. So here we see the basic difference between divs and spans and the block and inline elements. Now you should be wondering that why are we learning divs and span? What is the use? Why are we not just jumping right into the content, that is paragraph tags and all? But divs and spans are really important, and it's really important to understand the behavior of block and inline elements. So div is basically used to group the content together, or we can also say separate the content from each other. Let's take some dummy text. Okay, when you type lorem here in the VS Code, you will get some dummy text. And let's get some other dummy text. So we have two divs here. Let's just get rid of these spans. So you can see we have two divs here, both on another lines. So now you can add different styling to this, like style, color, red. I want the text in first div to be red and the text in second div to be blue. So look, you can separate it like this, and you can also add some width. You can see that we have added a width. So now the div just takes 300 pixels and the rest is margin. So this way we can group and separate elements with each other using divs and spans. Let's see how we can use span. Content. So we have some content here, and we have something about content, about that content. We need to write something about that content. So we can keep it black, and we can just give it another style, like we can change it color to gray, and we can also change its size, font size. Okay, I am writing it. Font weight, we can give it lighter, lighter. Look, we are getting it. So this way you can use spans too. That is the whole thing about dips and spans. That is it for the video, guys. Hope you all found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share it with your friends. And don't let the colors, styling, and the Chrome developer tools confuse you. We'll cover each and every topic in a great depth in future. In the next video, you will see how to work with text. Till then, stay tuned. See you in the next one.